Before a processor ever exists as silicon, it exists as a problem. At AMD, every new processor begins with a question. How do you extract more performance, more efficiency, and more intelligence from the same physical limits? This question shapes everything that follows. It determines architecture choices, power strategies, manufacturing partnerships, and even the tools engineers use to think. Unlike traditional manufacturers, AMD does not begin inside a factory. It begins inside design labs, quiet, intensely focused environments where processors are built long before they are manufactured. Engineers start by defining the purpose of the chip. Is it meant to power massive data centers, high-performance gaming systems, scientific simulations, or energy-efficient mobile devices? Each use case demands different trade-offs. Performance versus power, latency versus throughput, cost versus scalability. These decisions are not abstract. They directly shape the physical structure of the processor. Modern AMD processors are no longer monolithic slabs of silicon. Instead, they are modular systems built from smaller components known as chiplets. This architectural shift changes everything. Rather than designing one massive die, engineers design multiple specialized dies that work together as a unified processor. This approach improves yield, scalability, and flexibility, but it also introduces new complexity. How do you synchronize billions of transistors across multiple dies? How do you move data fast enough that separate components behave like one? How do you maintain consistency, security, and reliability at nanosecond timescales? These challenges are solved in the design phase. Using advanced computer-aided design systems, engineers construct virtual versions of the processor. Every logic block, every cache layer, every interconnect pathway is modeled in extreme detail. Simulations run workloads that mimic real-world usage, games, AI inference, scientific computation, enterprise databases, long before any silicon exists. At this stage, failure is cheap, and that is intentional. Design verification systems push the virtual processor through millions of cycles, searching for errors that might only appear under rare conditions. Power delivery networks are stressed. Thermal hotspots are predicted. Security boundaries are tested against theoretical attacks. Artificial intelligence plays an increasingly important role here. Machine learning models analyze simulation results, highlight inefficiencies, and suggest optimizations humans might overlook. Entire design iterations can be refined before a single wafer is produced. This is where performance is won or lost. Once the architecture stabilizes, the design moves toward tape-out, the moment when virtual logic becomes physical instructions for manufacturing. At this point, every mistake becomes expensive. Every overlooked flaw becomes permanent. So the design is frozen, not because it is perfect, but because it is ready. The design data is encrypted, validated, and transmitted to fabrication partners. This handoff represents one of the most critical transitions in modern computing. The processor leaves the world of ideas and enters the world of physics. But AMD's work does not stop here. Design teams continue to refine firmware, microcode, and system-level optimizations in parallel. Software and hardware evolve together. Operating systems, compilers, and drivers are tuned to extract maximum performance from the architecture. By the time silicon returns from manufacturing, the ecosystem is already prepared. What makes this process remarkable is its scale. Every improvement, 1% more efficiency, 1 nanosecond less latency, multiplies across millions of processors deployed worldwide. Design decisions made quietly in labs ripple outward into global infrastructure. This is the unseen foundation of modern computing. And yet, nothing physical exists yet. The processor is still an idea, waiting to be etched into silicon. If you want to continue inside the moment where design meets reality, make sure to like the video. When AMD's processor design leaves the virtual world, it enters a domain where mistakes are no longer theoretical. This is the moment where ideas are forced to obey physics. Manufacturing begins with silicon that is refined to near-perfect purity. At this scale, contamination is catastrophic. A single particle, far smaller than the eye can see, can destroy billions of transistors at once. That is why fabrication happens inside clean rooms where air is filtered constantly and machines operate with almost no human contact. Here, AMD's designs are translated into reality. Silicon wafers move through hundreds of tightly controlled steps. Photolithography systems project circuit patterns onto the wafer using light so precise it operates at the edge of what physics allows. Each exposure defines where transistors will form, where electrons will flow, and where logic will switch on and off trillions of times per second. This process is repeated again and again. Layers are deposited, etched, cleaned, and inspected. Each layer adds function. Logic, memory, interconnects, power delivery. The wafer becomes a vertical structure, not a flat one, stacked with complexity that cannot be understood without simulation. As transistor sizes shrink, traditional designs fail. Leakage increases. Heat concentrates. Reliability suffers. AMD addresses this by pairing architectural innovation with manufacturing precision. New transistor geometries improve control. Advanced materials reduce resistance. Every improvement is incremental, but together they make modern performance possible. Throughout fabrication, inspection never stops. Automated optical systems scan wafers for defects. Electron microscopes verify structures at the atomic scale. AI-driven models compare real wafers to ideal digital twins, detecting deviations before they spread. Yield is everything. Even small improvements can mean thousands more usable processes per wafer. Once fabrication is complete, the wafer is no longer a single object. It is a collection of individual processes waiting to be separated. Precision lasers cut the wafer into dies, each one a complete computing engine. These dies are microscopic, fragile, and immensely valuable. They are handled only by robotic systems capable of movements smoother than any human hand. Now comes one of AMD's defining strengths: packaging. Instead of relying on a single massive die, AMD assembles processors using chiplets. Individual dies, compute cores, memory controllers, I/O components are combined into a unified package. This approach improves scalability and flexibility, but it demands extraordinary precision. Interconnects must operate at extreme speeds with minimal latency. Power must be delivered evenly across multiple dies. Heat must be removed efficiently. Any imbalance can degrade performance or reliability. Advanced packaging technologies solve this by stacking, bonding, and sealing chiplets into tightly integrated systems. The result behaves like a single processor, even though it is composed of multiple pieces. Before any processor leaves the manufacturing pipeline, it is tested relentlessly. Test rigs simulate real workloads: gaming, AI inference, scientific computation, enterprise virtualization. Stress tests push chips beyond normal operating conditions. Thermal systems measure heat distribution. Power behavior is analyzed millisecond by millisecond. Chips that fail are not ignored. They are studied. Failure analysis reveals weaknesses, informs design adjustments, and improves future generations. Manufacturing is not just production, it is feedback. A constant loop between design, fabrication, and validation. Only processes that meet strict performance and reliability standards move forward. At this point, the processor is real. It can compute. It can execute instructions. But its role is not yet fulfilled. Its true purpose lies beyond the factory floor. If you want to see how these processes reshape gaming, AI, science, and global infrastructure, make sure to subscribe to the channel. When an AMD processor finally leaves manufacturing, it stops being a product and starts becoming infrastructure. Packaged, serialized, and distributed across global supply chains, these processors move into environments where failure is not an option. Data centers, supercomputers, research labs, gaming systems, cloud platforms. Each one demands different behavior, but all rely on the same core promise: reliable compute at scale. Inside modern data centers, thousands of processors operate in synchronized silence. They power artificial intelligence models that analyze medical scans, predict financial systems, simulate climate behavior, and optimize global logistics. These processes are not visible to the public, but their effects are everywhere. This is where AMD's design philosophy reveals its full intent. The modular chiplet approach allows processors to scale efficiently across workloads. In cloud environments, this means better performance per watt, lower energy consumption for the same computational output. At hyperscale, even small efficiency gains translate into massive reductions in power usage and operational cost. In high-performance computing, AMD processors drive simulations that once took months and now complete in days. Scientific models grow more detailed. Resolution increases. Accuracy improves. Problems that were once computationally impossible become routine. In gaming and content creation, the same architectural principles deliver high frame rates, low latency, and smooth multitasking. Workflows accelerate. Creative boundaries expand. The processor disappears into the experience, doing its job without being noticed. But none of this happens by accident. Once processors are deployed, AMD continues refining performance through software. Microcode updates, firmware tuning, and compiler optimizations extract additional efficiency long after manufacturing is complete. Hardware and software evolve together, extending the life and capability of each generation. This tight integration is essential as computing becomes more heterogeneous. Modern workloads are no longer just CPU-bound. They involve GPUs, accelerators, memory hierarchies, and interconnects working in unison. AMD's processors are designed to function as part of this ecosystem, not in isolation, but as coordinated systems. At the largest scale, this coordination defines entire industries. Supercomputers powered by AMD architectures lead research in energy, physics, medicine, and artificial intelligence. Cloud providers deploy AMD processors to balance performance and cost across millions of users. Enterprises rely on them to virtualize infrastructure securely and efficiently. Every deployment feeds back into the next generation. Telemetry data reveals real-world behavior. Power usage patterns expose optimization opportunities. Workload trends influence future architecture decisions. The cycle never ends. Design informs manufacturing. Manufacturing informs deployment. Deployment informs design. This is how progress compounds. But the future places new demands on silicon. Artificial intelligence models continue to grow larger. Edge devices demand more efficiency. Sustainability becomes a constraint, not a preference. AMD's roadmap reflects this shift, focusing not just on raw performance, but on performance per watt, scalability, and long-term viability. Future processors will rely even more heavily on advanced packaging, heterogeneous integration, and close software collaboration. The distinction between design and manufacturing will continue to blur. The processor will increasingly resemble a platform rather than a component. And through all of this, the core challenge remains unchanged. How do you turn physical limits into computational advantage? AMD's answer is not a single technology or process. It is a system, a continuous loop of design, manufacturing, validation, and deployment. Each generation stands on the lessons of the last. Each improvement builds momentum. This is what makes modern processors more than silicon. They are the engines behind modern civilization. Quiet, invisible, relentless. And as long as the world demands more intelligence, more efficiency, and more scale, this process will continue, refining itself, reinventing itself, and reshaping what computation makes possible. What part of AMD's journey, from design to manufacturing to real-world impact, did you find most surprising? Leave a comment and share your thoughts.
if we reroute the primary bus through the auxiliary controller, it mitigates the bottleneck.
Yes, that resolves the timing issue here.